Hey everyone, and welcome back to successvault. When was the last time you wrote? You don't need to be a professional writer in order to get paid. Stick around, because you have the potential to earn a lot of money with this method. Today we're going to be talking about how to earn $500 per day with this Google trick. Just copy and paste. Make sure you stay until the end, as you don't want to miss how to start earning in a super simple way. Number 1. Go to Money Pantry. Money Pantry is a blog site that is dedicated to informing people about finances and how to earn and save money. What you want to do is go to moneypantry.com/getpaidtowrite. That's the website that will be the key to earning you big bucks. On this site, you'll need no investment, and you won't have to pay any startup fees or anything of that nature. Whether your goal is to become debt-free, increase your overall net worth, retire early, pay off credit cards or college loans, or simply to manage your money better, you need a plan of action. You can get one that makes it extremely easy to get started. The pay itself is also relatively fast. There are plenty of websites out there that will pay you instantly to write blog posts. Checking out this website, you will see you could be potentially earning $50 to $3,000 per blog post. That's a lot of money. Scroll down on this site, and you'll find a ton of different websites that'll pay you to write. There are also categories such as travel. Look through all these options because some will pay a lot just for one blog post. Find which categories best suit for you. If you scroll down, you'll find the category General Interest. So basically, you can get paid to write about anything and everything you can think of. You can write a story or about something that happened to you recently, and you'll get paid for it. Just write it and submit it to the website, and you might get approved. Let's take one website for example. Go to the website Vibrant Life in the General Interest category and click on it. You will then see what the article needs to be about. This website shows you that you need to be about health, exercise, nutrition, and other related topics. Make sure to read exactly what the website is posting about, so you know what to write about. Once you know what to write about, you will then continue on to make the actual articles. Using this list, you'll be creating articles based off of the many different blog sites shown in this list. You will find ways to copy and paste and use tools online to write. Once you found all your sources, you will then write an amazing document that you can submit and hopefully get accepted. Money Pantry's list is so big that you'll find something that is right for you. They have over 100 website links to check out, and all of them pay a lot of money. Some pay per article, while others pay per word. It'll be very easy to write these articles, so you won't want to miss out on how to do it. Number 2, go to Google Docs. Google is a great tool, and it's the main reason for this video. This is the key to getting you a ton of cash through writing articles. This is simple to do and won't take up too much of your time. Using Google for this makes everything super easy. First, go to Google. Next, you'll want to search Google Docs. If you have a Google account, you may already be familiar with Google Docs. Google Docs is a free software on the web that works similar to how Microsoft Word works. It's right there on Google. It's great because it's another free resource utilizing Google to earn money. So with that, search Google Docs. Then, a page of search results will show up. There will be a couple of results at the top of the page, but it's recommended to click on the second result. That will open up directly to your Google Docs. You may already have documents, but what you want to do is create a new document. What you're going to do is scroll to the bottom right of the page. There you'll see a plus button. Hover over that and you'll see Create New Document. All you have to do is click on it, and you'll have a new document opened up. Now you'll be able to start from scratch and create your blog post. Number 3, speech to text. Google Docs has many great tools and features. One of them is speech to text. With this, you don't have to type. You just speak into your microphone and the computer will type out what you're saying. It makes everything super simple and fast, so you can earn quicker. This is easy to set up, so here's how it's done. You have your Google Doc opened up. Now go to the top tabs and select Tools. Under the Tools tab, look for Voice Typing. After you click on that, a microphone symbol will appear. So what do you do with that? Well, you just have to click it. Once you click it, you'll just have to speak. So instead of typing out your words, you just say what you want the article to say. When the microphone symbol turns red, that means it's ready to record your words. It's very easy to use. When you end your sentences, make sure to say period to add a period to the document. This also works for other symbols such as comma. This is a great way to write your document through Google Docs, so try it out and see how much time you save. Number 4, go to Quora. Quora is a great site to go to when you need questions answered. It's filled with knowledge and people looking to help you out. This will be the main source of your information for your articles. You'll be using this site to get ideas for articles and even copy and paste small segments of answers into your own writing. This will be a helpful site for you to start earning. First, go to Quora. You won't need to sign up, so no need to worry about that. That's only if you're looking to use all the social media features of the site, but we won't be needing that. So go to the top of the page and find the search bar. For example, let's say we want to write an article about health and fitness. We will need to search information about it. Using the search bar, type in what you want to search. In this case, we can search something like how to lose weight without exercising. When you go to search a question, you can usually see that other people have searched for questions or at least a similar question. That's great. There are a ton of questions that have been answered, and this will be beneficial to you. You can now click one of the questions on the page and look at the answers. Normally, there will be several answers, and you can use that to gather information on your topic. Using these sites, you can easily find inspiration on what to write about. There are plenty of great topics, and you'll find one that fits the blog you chose to write for. Browsing through the answers on Quora, you will see that some people have written long and detailed responses. You can use that as inspiration for your article. There really is a ton of great information here. You can take bits of all of these answers and use it to write. Number 5, copy and paste segments. Copy and paste are staple keyboard commands, and with your writing, they can be a big help in getting your word count up. Some websites require a certain word count, while others pay you per word, so you'll want as many words as possible. That is why copy and pasting can help you out. It's important to note that you shouldn't copy and paste an entire section, and try to make up your own phrases and reword the sections as often as possible. So here's how it's done. Go to Quora and find your answers. Look for an answer or two that you really like, something that sounds good. Maybe there's some good advice that you have read. Go to that section of the answer. Select a sentence or two from what you want and hit Ctrl-C on a PC and Command-C on a Mac. Then go to your Google Doc page and paste the sentence right into it by pressing Ctrl-V on a PC and Command-V on a Mac. Then you'll have a great bit added to your document, and it was super simple. Now you'll be compiling and collecting tips and bits of answers from Quora, and using that to help build your blog post. This is super simple, and will get you a ton of cash in no time. Number 6, looking for more websites. Here's another thing you can do to earn cash by writing blog posts. The internet has lots and lots of different ways you can earn simply by writing for blogs, and the payout is often amazing. One way you can expand on what you have already done with this list is by going to Google and searching, "Get paid to write articles," then hit enter. You will see a page show up with a ton of different links. There are plenty of websites that offer a list of other websites that will pay you to write blog posts for them. This is a great way to find more resources. It's also very simple. You can find sites all by searching Google. And as you'll notice, some of these sites will pay you anywhere from $100 a blog post to upwards of $1,000 a blog post. This technique is a great way to build up a side hustle and earn a part-time income to help supplement your main source of income. Try it out because it can be super easy and lucrative. Number 7, go to TextBroker. TextBroker is a site that will pay you to write. The rates are quite decent, and they even include a slider that will show you how much you can get paid. They pay per word, so keep that in mind when you are writing articles for them. Check out their website and sign up. It's free. Thanks for watching. While you're here, go ahead and click one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there!